Can immigration status affect building a good credit history? Imagine trying to buy a car or rent a new apartment and finding out your immigration status might make it harder to get approved. It can be frustrating, but let's look at what really affects your credit story. Building a good credit history in the United States depends on having a social security number or an individual taxpayer identification number, access to credit products, and making payments on time. Many new immigrants don't have these numbers right away, which can slow down their credit building process. Without a social security number or an individual taxpayer identification number, opening traditional credit accounts like credit cards or loans becomes more difficult. If you don't have these accounts, there's no activity reported to credit bureaus, so your credit history stays blank. Some lenders might consider your immigration status when deciding whether to give you credit. Even though federal laws say they cannot discriminate based on nationality or immigration status, some still relying on it too much. This can lead to unfair denials, even if you qualify financially. Luckily, there are ways to build credit without a social security number. You can get a secured credit card by depositing a certain amount, usually between $50 and $500, which becomes your credit limit. Credit builder loans are another option. These are small loans, often between $100 and $500, designed to help you establish a credit record. Becoming an authorized user on a family member's credit account can also help you start building your credit history. Some financial institutions and community organizations offer special products for immigrants, accepting ITINs or other forms of identification. Having a good credit history is important because it helps you get better loan rates, rent housing more easily, and access financial products that support your long-term goals like saving for retirement. To start, apply for an individual taxpayer identification number if you don't have a social security number. Use secured credit cards or credit builder loans to begin. Always pay your bills on time, including utilities and rent if they are reported to credit bureaus. Check your credit report regularly to catch any errors or fraud. Look for banks or credit unions that serve immigrant communities and offer credit options without needing citizenship or permanent residency. Remember, your immigration status should not be the only reason you are denied credit. If you face unfair rejection, you can file complaints with regulatory agencies. Building credit is a key step toward financial empowerment, helping you save for retirement and reach your financial dreams.